Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Skill, where learning English is easy, simple, and always fun. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Hello, Olivia, and a very warm hello to all our wonderful listeners joining us from every corner of the world. It feels absolutely fantastic to be here today.
You look very fresh today, John.
Do I? Well, I had a very, very big cup of coffee this morning. Maybe too big, actually. I think it might still be working in my system because I feel unusually energetic.
Ah, coffee, our favorite topic. I think every city dweller would agree with us. Coffee is more than just a drink. It's almost like a survival tool in the city.
Absolutely. And today, Olivia, the coffee actually connects to our story because today's topic is fast, loud, exciting, and a little crazy.
Let me guess. Big city life?
Exactly. Today we are going to talk about the daily routine of someone living in a big city from the moment your alarm rings early in the morning to the moment you finally collapse into your bed at night after a long, busy, and sometimes chaotic day.
I love this topic. Big cities are always full of energy, full of movement, and full of life. And I know that many of our listeners live in busy cities, so this conversation will help them learn real, useful English that they can use every day.
That's right. Life in a big city is completely different from life in a small town or village. In a small town, mornings are quiet, calm, peaceful. Birds singing, dew on the grass, people slowly going about their day.
But in a big city, cars honking, alarms ringing, trains moving, buses squeaking, bicycles buzzing, people rushing everywhere, everyone late for something. It's a completely different energy.
Exactly. And before we dive into the chaos of city life, Olivia...
Yes, John?
A small message for our wonderful listeners.
Ah, yes. Everyone listening, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button. It really supports our work and helps us create more fun, engaging content for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Skill so you never miss a new episode. We share tips, conversations, and lessons that you can actually use in your daily life.
Perfect. Now let's jump into today's topic.
Let's go. So, Olivia, imagine a huge city. Tall buildings, busy streets, bright lights, people everywhere.
And a very loud alarm clock at 6 a.m.
That's right. In big cities, your day starts early, often because of the commute.
Ah, the famous word, commute. It means your journey from home to work.
And sometimes that journey feels like an adventure or a disaster.
Tell me, John, how do you commute? Do you drive?
Oh, no. Driving in a big city? That is like trying to push a mountain. So stressful.
So, what do you take?
I take the subway. Fast, affordable, crowded, loud, the true city experience.
I take the subway too. But during rush hour, it feels like the entire city is inside the train with you.
Yes, rush hour is the very busy time in the morning and evening when everyone is going to or coming from work.
At rush hour, people are everywhere, on the stairs, on the platform, in front of the train doors.
And inside the train, you are so close to people you can literally count how many eyelashes they have.
You really are packed like sardines.
Exactly. And the subway has one big advantage: it's fast. Much faster than the bus.
Do you ever take the bus, John?
Sometimes, when I want to relax and look outside. From the bus window, you can see cafes, parks, shops, kids playing, people walking. You really get a sense of life happening around you.
Whereas, on the subway, you mostly see a dark tunnel.
Exactly. But the bus has a big problem.
Let me guess. Traffic jams.
Correct. When traffic stops, time also stops. You just sit there, listening to car horns and thinking about your life choices. Beep, beep. Everyone honking, everyone frustrated.
City life is noisy. Cars honking, police sirens, people shouting.
And of course, construction noise. In a big city, something is always under construction. Always. A new road, a new bridge, a new skyscraper, sometimes multiple skyscrapers at the same time.
I love that word, skyscraper. A building so tall It looks like it touches the sky.
When I look up at skyscrapers, I feel so small.
Me too. But at night, when the lights shine, they look absolutely beautiful. A real city magic.
So, after we survive the commute, we arrive at work, drink our coffee.
The second one of the day.
Yes. And then we work. But John, what about lunch?
Lunch in the city. So many choices, sometimes too many choices. You can spend 10 minutes deciding where to go and still not pick anything.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes. It saves money. And you know exactly what you're eating.
Smart. But sometimes I buy lunch. In big cities, we have food trucks everywhere.
Oh yes. Food trucks are amazing. Small kitchens on wheels. You can get burgers, tacos, sandwiches, noodles, delicious and fast.
In the city, speed matters. Everyone is in a hurry. Even the way people walk is fast. If you walk slowly, people get annoyed. They say, "Excuse me, move, please."
It's all part of the city's hustle and bustle, the busy, noisy energy.
The city has so much energy. It makes me feel alive and also a little tired.
Same here. After work comes the evening commute round 2.
Everyone is tired. The subway is quieter. People on their phones, listening to music, reading, even sleeping. Some people sleep standing up. That is a true city skill.
When we finally reach home, the city keeps moving. Because big cities never sleep. Restaurants open late, cinemas, theaters, supermarkets, everything is alive.
Do you go out in the evenings, Olivia?
Sometimes, especially on Fridays. During the week, I become best friends with my sofa.
I understand. But sometimes it's nice to have dinner with friends.
And the best part of big cities, food from everywhere. Italian, Japanese, Indian, Mexican. You can travel the world through your dinner plate.
Exactly. But sometimes the city becomes too much. Too much noise. Too many people. Too much concrete.
When that happens, I go to the park. Every big city has a big park, a little piece of nature, a quiet oasis in the middle of all the chaos. I sit on a bench, breathe, eat a snack, and forget about the traffic for a while.
We all need that balance.
John, do you ever think about living in a small town?
Maybe in the future. For now, I love the city energy.
You love the hustle and bustle.
I do. What about you?
Same. I complain about rush hour. Everyone does. But I love the convenience. Everything is near shops, doctors, supermarkets.
And of course, the midnight cookie. If I want a cookie at 12 a.m., I can buy one. Very important midnight cookies save lives.
Another part of city life fashion.
Oh, yes. Big cities are full of style. People dress nicely, creatively, uniquely. Every morning looks like a mini fashion show.
But what I love is, you can wear anything, and nobody cares. You can truly be yourself.
Let's quickly review our big city vocabulary. Commute, rush hour, subway, traffic jam, skyscraper, hustle and bustle, food truck, midnight snack.
These words are perfect for anyone living in or visiting a big city.
And here's a tip. If you ever get lost in a big city,
Look at your phone's map.
laughs. It works. Or just ask someone, "Excuse me, where is the subway station?" Most people will help you.
Well, this has been a great conversation about big city life.
Yes, I loved it. And we want to hear from our listeners.
Do you live in a big city or a small town? And what do you love most about it?
Tell us in the comments. And before you go, please like the video, subscribe to English Skill, and share this podcast with your friends.
Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day in your city or your town. But sometimes, for a good coat or good shoes, it is good to spend more money. They last longer.
Last longer? You mean they stay good for more time?
Yes, exactly. Good quality clothes last longer. A cheap coat might be broken after one winter, but a good coat can last for years.
That is a good point. Maybe I should buy better shoes. My sneakers are cheap and they are already old.
Maybe your sneakers look a little old, but you love them.
They are old, but they're comfortable. It's difficult to say goodbye.
I know. Comfort is the most important thing. If you like them, you should wear them.
Thank you for the advice. So, what about you? Do you buy expensive clothes?
Sometimes. For example, I bought a good winter coat last year. It was expensive, but it is very warm, and I think it will last for a long time. For t-shirts, I usually buy cheap ones.
That makes sense. Invest in the important pieces.
Yes, exactly. So, let's talk about fashion. Do you follow fashion?
Not really. I wear what I like. I wear what is comfortable and what looks good on me. I don't worry about the latest fashion.
Me too. I think my style is simple and comfortable.
That's my fashion, and it's a good style for you. It's important to feel good in your clothes.
I agree 100%.
Okay, I have one more question.
What is it?
What is one piece of clothing you really want to buy now?
I really want to buy a new summer dress. A yellow dress. I think yellow is a happy color for summer.
A yellow dress sounds beautiful. I hope you find a perfect one.
Thank you, John. What about you?
I think I need new pajamas. My old pajamas are very, very old.
Maybe it's time for new ones.
Yes, it is time.
So, we used many good words today. I think it's a good idea to review them for our friends.
Yes, let's do that. Repeating words helps us remember them. It's a very good study method.
Absolutely.
Okay. Should we start with the word outfit?
Yes. Let's start with outfit.
John, what does outfit mean?
An outfit is all the clothes you are wearing together. It's the complete combination. For example, my outfit today is a green t-shirt, blue jeans, white socks, and white sneakers. Everything together is my outfit.
Perfect example.
You can say, I like your outfit today. It's a nice compliment.
You can also plan your outfit the night before. I need to choose my outfit for the party.
Yes, it's a very useful word.
Okay, the next word is try on. Olivia, can you explain try on?
Of course. To try on clothes means to put them on in a shop to see if they fit and if you like them.
Before I buy new pants, I always go to the dressing room to try them on.
That's so important.
You try on clothes to see if they are too big, too small, too long, or too short.
I need to try on clothes more often.
I usually say, I will try on this shirt, please.
Exactly. It's a key phrase for shopping.
Now, what about the word plain?
Plain. This means something has no pattern, no design. It is just one color.
My green t-shirt is plain. It has no stripes, no flowers, no pictures, just green.
That's right. You can have a plain white plate or a plain wall, but we often use it for clothes.
I have a plain blue dress and a dress with a flower pattern.
I like plain t-shirts, but sometimes I like patterns like stripes or checks, which is a good transition to our next word, comfortable.
Ooh, this is my favorite word.
Comfortable means something feels good on your body. It is not tight. It is not rough. It feels nice and relaxed.
My sneakers are very comfortable.
My old sweater's very comfortable.
It's a great word. You can say a chair is comfortable, a bed is comfortable, and of course, clothes are comfortable.
The opposite is uncomfortable.
If shoes are too small, they are uncomfortable.
I never want uncomfortable shoes. Always choose comfortable clothes.
I agree.
Now, let's talk about two more words. We use the word go-to.
John, you said your sneakers are your go-to shoes.
Yes. Your go-to thing is the thing you choose first. It's your favorite and most reliable.
My go-to shoes are my white sneakers. I wear them for most situations.
What is your go-to piece of clothing, Olivia?
My go-to piece is probably my blue jeans. I wear them many days each week. They are my favorite.
It's a great phrase.
And the last word is weakness.
You said shoes are your weakness.
I did. A weakness here means something you cannot resist. It is difficult to say no to it.
For me, shoes are my weakness. I see nice shoes, and I really want to buy them.
And for me, t-shirts are my weakness. I have too many t-shirts.
Chocolate chip cookies are also a weakness for me.
That's a good example.
So, to review, we have outfit all your clothes together. Try on to test clothes in a shop. Plain no pattern, one color. Comfortable feels good and relaxed. Go to your favorite first choice. Weakness something you cannot resist. Please try to use these words when you speak English. They are very common and useful.
Yes, maybe you can write a sentence in the comments using one of these words.
For example, my go-to outfit is a plain t-shirt and comfortable pants.
We would love to read your sentences. It is excellent practice.
Now, let's move to our wrap-up.
Well, John, that was a really long and fun conversation.
It was. We talked for a long time.
I think we covered so many things about clothes.
We really did.
Let's try to remember everything.
First, we started by describing what we are wearing right now.
Yes, I am wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans.
It's important to know how to say what you have on.
Exactly. And we learned the word outfit for the whole combination of clothes.
Then we talked about our favorite pieces of clothing.
My favorite is my blue jacket and my old comfortable sweater.
And my favorite is my blue summer dress.
We also discussed where we like to shop for clothes.
I like online shopping, but sometimes it's a problem with the size.
And I like going to the mall so I can try on the clothes before I buy them. Try on is a very important phrase.
We also talked about different types of clothes. Casual clothes like t-shirts and sneakers for every day, and formal clothes like a suit or a nice dress for special occasions like a wedding.
And we must not forget the seasons. Our clothes change a lot from summer to winter.
That's right. In summer, we wear light clothes like shorts and t-shirts. In winter, we need heavy clothes like a warm coat and a sweater.
We even talked about colors and patterns. My t-shirt is plain green, but you have shirts with stripes.
And you have a shirt with checks.
We also discussed our habits, like how we get dressed in the morning.
I put on my socks first.
You choose your clothes sometimes the night before? I should try that.
Maybe you should.
We talked about how many shoes we have. I have only 4 pairs.
You have about 10 pairs. Shoes are your weakness.
And t-shirts are your weakness.
We also touched on laundry, which is not very fun.
No, it's not. Separating white and colored clothes, washing, drying, and folding. But it's a necessary part of life.
And we talked about borrowing clothes from friends and family.
And we talked about the price of clothes. Sometimes it's good to buy more expensive clothes if they are good quality and last longer, especially for important things like a winter coat or good shoes.
And finally, we learned some very useful vocabulary words.
I think we practiced a lot of listening today.
I hope it was useful and interesting for everyone.
Me too.
Now, it is your turn to practice speaking. We have our question of the day for you.
Today's question has 2 parts, so you can choose which one to answer or answer both.
1 EE. What is your favorite outfit? Describe it. Tell us about the clothes you love to wear together.
2-1. What is one piece of clothing you really want to buy right now?
Yes. Please tell us in the comments. What is your favorite outfit? Is it a t-shirt and jeans? A dress and sandals? Tell us the colors. Tell us if it's comfortable.
And what do you want to buy? A new jacket, new shoes, a nice hat? We are very curious to know.
Please write your answer in the comments below. We read all your comments. It is the best way to practice your English writing.
Don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to try. We are all here to learn together.
And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, English Skill Channel. It helps us very much and it tells us you want more videos like this.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You are all doing a great job. Keep practicing, be confident, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.